Every traders must know about basic principle of every financial charts that is so crucial in predicting next moves of market. This technique is called change of character. Hello, I am Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. At first, let me tell you about what is change of character in trading. It means price action is changing and may indicate a reversal of the current trend. Overall, we have three types of change of character. First one is basic change of character, and I'm gonna explain it in simplest way. For example, this is an uptrend that is comprised of several higher highs and higher lows, but we can see that at a moment the latest higher high is broken by the next candle, and we have a little comeback to the range, and then the trend is completely changing from uptrend to downtrend, and we call it change of character. At this chart that is from gold market, we can see that at first we have an uptrend that is comprised of several higher highs and higher lows, and then at this part we can see that uh, with these three high momentum red candles are breaking the latest higher highs, which was here. We can see that this is breaking the latest higher high, and then the market wants to come back to the range and go for a higher price. But we can see that the latest candlestick pattern, which is bearish engulfing, doesn't let this happen. And after that, we have a sharp and significant downtrend that is comprised of several lower highs and also lower lows. This was the instance for basic change of character. The second type is internal to internal change of character. For example, at first we have an uptrend in the chart, and which is comprised of several higher highs and lows, and then the price, you can see that it will come back to the range and made the supply zone, and then change the character of chart to downtrend. And overall, this is the structure of internal to internal change of character. And it is in this chart that is from Bitcoin market. We can see that at first we have a downtrend that is comprised of several uh, lower highs and lower lows, and then at this point we can see that the price is breaking the latest lower highs, and also at this level there is a little demand zone or support level, and price and candlesticks, after touching and colliding to this demand zone, they will go for higher price. And overall we can see that the character of market and chart is changing from downtrend to uptrend, and also we have a little consolidation area and also sideways trend here that shows traders are uncertain about their next moves, and they cannot decide whether it's buying or selling time. And after that we have a sharp uptrend that is consisted of several lower highs and lower lows. And overall this was the instance from internal to internal change of character. The third type is definite change of character. This type is so unusual, but whenever it happens, it is so powerful. Let me explain it with some simple lines again. For instance, at first we have a downtrend chart, then price breaks the latest lower highs and lows and then come back to the range. At this point, some traders may think it is the best time for going for short position and it is a trend continuation. But we can see in next candles we have a pullback, and apparently market is playing with traders. At this point, some traders may go for long position, but we can see support and resistance zones are being created, and then the character is changed, and also downtrend altered with uptrend. In this chart that is from gold market, at first we have an uptrend that is consisted of several higher highs and higher lows, and we can see that at this point sellers are stronger than buyers, and the candles are breaking the latest higher high, and some traders may go for short position at this point, but the market is apparently playing with them, and then buyers are stronger than sellers, and the price is going for higher level, and at this level, which is higher high, some traders may go for a long position, and they think that the trend is continuing, but the market is changing the character, and the downtrend is changing to the uptrend is changing to downtrend, which is comprised of several lower lows and also lower highs. Knowing the information about how market is changing the character is so essential, because sometimes market is playing with traders, and if you are not expert, and if you haven't experienced these type of things, you may be trapped in the market. Because for example, at this market, which was so tricky, at some points all of sellers and buyers are tricked by the market, and they couldn't decide about their next moves, and at some points the market is so uncertain, and uncertainty of market may trick the all traders. Also, I bring another instance to grasp and digest the information about how to define the change of character, and how to define the type of change of character in the market completely. And this chart is from gold market again. And as you can see, at first we have an uptrend that is comprised of several higher highs and also higher lows. And we can see that at this little trend, the latest higher highs and lows are breaking, and then the market is come back and change the trend. We can see that, for example, this is the new high, and the latest high is lower than the latest trend higher high, and we can see that the uptrend is changing to downtrend, which is consisted of several lower highs and also lower lows. Overall, this was the basic change of character, because at first we have uptrend, and then the higher high is altered with a lower high, and also we don't have any, for example, resistance and support level, and traders are not tricked by the market, and the market is so simple, and we can call it just basic change of character. The reason that I bring another example is you cannot become expert trader just by knowing the formula and just memorizing the definition of change of character and other subjects, for example, like support and resistance level or candlestick pattern. No, if you want to become a professional trader, you must trade and rehearse it daily and hourly, and you must read a lot of charts. As I mentioned in all of my videos, trading and become a trader is so similar to become a mathematician. For example, if you want to learn mathematics, you must solve problem, and just memorizing formula is not sufficient and enough. And in trading, there is a lot of information. There is tons of millions of informations, and you must know about most of them, and you should update your level of knowledge, because if you update your knowledge, you can analyze and read charts easier, and also uh, trading is so attractive in these days, and most of people wants to become a trader because you can be a, for example, millionaire or rich just by knowing some information and risk and put some money on most of charts. But you should know about that. uh, it is not simple as it looks, and you must go through a lot of things, and you must know about a lot of things, and you can learn a lot of most of essential dimensions of trading by just watching my videos. I'm trying to talk about most of crucial subjects in trading. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions related to trading, and for example, the question about support and resistance level, how to define them, or for example, about candlestick patterns and all the subjects related to trading, you can easily ask me in the comment box and I will answer it as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.